So here in this video, I'm going to show you how just in few minutes you can create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of which you can automate the WhatsApp conversation with the users who are sending you WhatsApp message every day on your business. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp here. I have already created this chatbot. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I have opened my WhatsApp and I'm going to send this message. Can you recommend the best travel package based on my budget and travel dates? Let's wait for the reply. So over here I can see this I can, but I need a few details to recommend the best package for your budget and dates. Before that, here are quick suggestion from our available packages by common budget ranges so you get an idea, and it has provided me a detailed reply. If I click on this read more, you can see I have received a very detailed reply on all the topics and all the things. Now I'm going to ask another question. What destination and holiday packages do you have and what's included in each? It has here provided me some details, but I have asked another new question. Let's check what different answer it gives me. And here it has given me, here is a summary of destination and holiday package Voyage Ventures offer. Domestic holiday package includes these details. Then we have the honeymoon package, adventure activities, other service and option with the rest of the details. I'm going to ask a final question. How much will my trip cost for Dubai with 6 days? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. Here I have received this message. Thanks, I can give quick estimate and then refine it once you share few details. Then it has given me quick estimate for 6 people. This will be the amount. What this estimate does not cover these charges, and then again the rest of the explanation, and it is also asking me to provide some details. So this is how your WhatsApp chatbot will start working once you create the AI agent for your business using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first step is to visit Pabbly Chatflow, and to do that, you have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing the website, you need to sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use the 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. And I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. Again, the detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Now we have to create an AI agent. On the left hand side, we have this option of AI assistant. Let's open this first. Here I've landed towards the AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and I have named this AI assistant as WhatsApp AI chatbot for your business, and then simply click on this add AI assistant. Here I'm landed towards this page from where I'm going to start creating this AI assistant. The first one is AI instructions. I'm going to select the instruction type as AI agent. As soon as I select the instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance the instructions according to the requirement. Then we have this AI configuration, under which the first one is this temperature. In the help desk, it is written set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini, and then you have to enter the API key of that AI. So over here I have already entered the key. I'm going to click on this connect, and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. Now I am on the paid version of OpenAI, and it is necessary that you also have the same. Moving on towards the next part, here we have the AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. Now when the user do not want to get the reply from the AI agent, they can simply send the stop keyword and the AI agent will stop replying, or the matter will be escalated to human support. You can enter the stop keyword according to the requirement, like simply type the word and press enter. In this manner you can enter the word stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. The valid range is 1 to 10. Now this is given when the AI agent is not able to resolve the queries, or maybe when the API is not responding, then the AI agent is given another retry attempt to attempt the question which is asked by the user and give the answer promptly. Then we have this fallback message. So I have written this: I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. This is the fallback message which I have entered, but what you can do, you can also add the contact details or the company information, such that whenever the queries are not resolved, at least the fallback message with the contact details is sent to the user and they can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, here we have this knowledge source. I'm going to click on this cloud. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm going to again click on the cloud, go towards the downloads and open this file which I have downloaded and uploaded. One file uploaded successfully. I'll select this one file, insert this. In this manner, I have finally uploaded the file. If I open the file which I have created in the Google Docs, you can see that this is the knowledge base of Voyage Ventures, AI WhatsApp Travel Assistant, Business Overview, Company Information, AI Assistant Responsibility, Domestic Holiday Packages, all the places where I have my travel packages. Then the international packages also I have mentioned, services I have mentioned, adventure activities, honeymoon, hotel categories, flight booking, visa assistant, travel insurance, custom tour planning, information to collect, lead qualification, FAQs, cancellation policy, human handoff. I have added all the details of my business, and it is very necessary that you add all the details of the product, service, of the business. And after adding all the details, you have to go towards this file, download this in .txt or .pdf format, and then you have to upload it over here. Now after this, we have this assistant interface. If you want to change the heading name, you can change it. If you want to change the subheading, you can do that. If you want to keep it, you can do that. You can see it changing over here. Then we have the initial messages. You can add 2 initial messages. I have added only 1 initial messages, and using this only the AI agent was able to respond to the initial messages of the users. Then we have this display by powered by Pabbly. I have enabled and it is visible here. If I disable this, it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text where I've added privacy policy. In the footer link, I've added link to privacy policy. Then we have this user first message where I've added I need help. Now it is not necessary that whenever I need help is sent, only then the AI agent is going to respond. It is going to respond based on any message. Moving on towards the next part, here we have the styling. So the theme mode is light. You can select it as dark also, and then I'm going to keep it as light only. We have different assistant shape. You can select this from the drop down and you will see it changing over here. You can also set the assistant background color, text color, chat bubble text color. You can change this according to the requirement. We have the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. So again, you can change this according to the requirement. After doing all this, you simply have to toggle on this button and save this AI assistant. You will see AI assistant saved successfully. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. You can also embed this AI assistant to your website using this code, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next part, here we have this option of inbox. Now I am going to show you how you can enable this AI assistant to a contact. I have opened my chat. I am going to toggle on this choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant which I have just created and save this. In this manner, I have enabled this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to a particular chat is very time consuming, and that's why what we can do, we can assign this to a particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. For that, I am going to open the settings and go towards the inbox settings in a new tab. Here I've landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. I have to select the list under this, select the AI assistant to that particular list, add more rules, select another list, select another AI assistant to that particular list, add more rules, select another list, select another AI assistant to that particular list, and simply save the rules. In this manner, this particular AI assistant will be assigned to the particular chats or particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. You also have the option to add all the contacts like this. So this is how the AI agent is going to work. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.